The ASUS Vivobook S15 OLED S5507. Packed with the Snapdragon X Elite processor and featuring an exceptional OLED display, this laptop is designed to cater to both productivity and entertainment needs. Let's dive into its design, performance, display, and more to see if it lives up to expectations. Design build. The Vivobook S15 OLED sports a sleek, lightweight design, making it ideal for portability. The aluminum top cover and solid build quality give it a premium feel. At just 1.7 kilograms and measuring 18 millimeters thin, it strikes the right balance between robustness and portability. The hinge design allows for a 180-degree lay-flat position, which is useful for collaborative tasks. Display. The standout feature of this laptop is its 15.6-inch 2880x1620p OLED display. It supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, 100% DCI-P3 coverage, and a peak brightness of 610 nits in HDR mode. The colors are vibrant, and the infinite contrast ratio ensures true blacks, making it perfect for multimedia consumption and light creative work. Performance. Under the hood, the Vivobook S15 OLED is powered by the Snapdragon X Elite processor with 12 cores and 32 GB of LPDDR5 memory. It handles everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and office work smoothly, especially when running native ARM-based apps. Battery life. Thanks to the Snapdragon platform's efficiency, the battery life is commendable, lasting a full day with moderate use. The ASUS app offers customization of power profiles to further optimize energy consumption based on your workload. Thank you so much.